Women's safety is one of the most important concerns of India, and today we experience hundreds of sexual violence and lynching atrocities against women in the society. Usually, when such incidents happen, it is the women activists who come forward to protect against it. We can rarely see the youth coming forward against these issues. But through BIRD's conflict resolution and peace building project, the new adult has created a history in the Indian society. A rally was held on July 2nd, 2019 by the youth group members of Hennur slums. These groups were created by the BIRDS organization Bangalore, which protested against the rape of a 9 months old baby in the Warangal district of Telangana on 19th of June 2019. It was stated that the baby who was sleeping with her parents on the terrace was abducted, raped and murdered. The accused was thrashed by the locals and handed over to the police. A case was registered under IPC section of 376 and 360 and 5 R/W 6 of POSCO Act. On coming to know about this incident, this youth group was enraged and they expressed their protest by taking out a procession against this incident. 2 years back, these youth groups were created to improve and bring in peace among the youths of rural areas and slums of Bangalore. This is the rarest cases where the group consisting of only men took an initiative to protect against rape demanding justice, where it is usually women or a mixed population who participated in the protest. BIRDS has been working on rural community development for past 20 years. These youth groups have been created in slums and rural areas of Bangalore to inculcate conflict resolution and peace building among the community.